In a Volvo with a bright sun behind me, I lean out the window and scream, hey, what you trying to do, blind me? My wife says maybe we should park, we could just go eat inside. I said I'm wearing bunny slippers, so I ain't leaving this ride. Now a woman on a speaker box is saying, can I take your order please? I said yes indeed, you certainly can. We'd like 2 hamburgers with onions and cheese. Then my wife says, baby, hold on, I've changed.
Message is transmitted at the request of the Miami Police Department. At 9:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, riots have broke out in the city of Miami. These riots are extremely hostile. They can break into buildings, stealing everything in their path, items setting on fire, and spray painting on vehicles and buildings. The SWAT team will deal with the situation. All residents within a 1-mile radius of downtown Miami are ordered to stay out the area at all cost. Do not participate in the riots. Repeating, do not participate in the riots. Doing so will put your life at risk. Stay tuned for further information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Miami Police Department. At 9:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, riots have broke out in the city of Miami. These riots are extremely hostile. They can break into buildings, stealing everything in their path. Items
Times you turn your back to the wind. There's a world outside every darkened door where blues won't haunt you anymore, where the brave are free and lovers soar. Come ride with me to the distant shore. We won't hesitate to break down the
The following message has been transmitted from the request of the San Francisco Police Department and San Francisco Sheriff's Office. As of 4:32 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, there's an incident in the Golden Gate Bridge. There was a traffic jam that's gone complete out of control and make a huge pile up, which is including my ex-wife that leave me with a guy named Brad. She took the kids. Anyways, please listen to the following instructions. If you're driving through the Golden Gate Bridge, turn away now, as a law enforcement take you to a ship and make it much easier to reach your destination. The Golden Gate Bridge will be a restricted area until further notice. If you caught entering the Golden Gate Bridge, you would be arrested and questioned. Please stay tuned to the station for more information, and please use your battery power radio, or your hand crank radio, for further updates, news, information, and instructions for your local area or your hometown. For further information, and more information will be followed if it comes available or if it's necessary from your proper authorities of the United States government. The following message has been transmitted from the request of the San Francisco Police Department and San Francisco Sheriff's Office. As of 4:32 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, there's an incident in the Golden Gate Bridge. There was a traffic jam that's gone complete out of control and make a huge pile up, which is including my ex-wife that leave me with a guy named Brad. She took the kids.
Chromacopia, woo woo chroma, calm down, sit still, that's 1 mil for each wheel, top 10, big deal, how the fuck he do that, what the fuck I look like, get the fuck up out him, way Hawthorne is where I'm from, another planet where
Do I really have to do this? Fine. The following has been transmitted from the request of the Alaskan Governor's Office and Emergency Service. As of 12:37 p.m. Alaskan Standard Time, an incident is occurring in the SM-1A nuclear power plant. An experience has gone completely wrong and made a huge explosion in the nuclear power plant. Because of this, a mandatory evacuation it has been declared all of Alaska, as you like. When the entire state makes you have enough food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid kit, a battery power radio, and hand crank radio, extra batteries for your survival. Remember, evacuation order has been declared all entire state of Alaska, and please stay tuned to the station for more information, and please use your battery power radio, or your hand crank radio, for further updates, news, information, and instructions for your local area or your hometown for further information, and more information will be followed if it comes available or if it's necessary from your proper authorities of the United States government. Okay, now I need to get out of here. Do I really have to do this? Fine. The following has been transmitted from the request of the Alaskan Governor's Office and Emergency Service. As of 12:37 p.m. Alaskan Standard Time, an incident is occurring in the SM-1A nuclear power plant. An experience has gone completely wrong and made a huge explosion in the nuclear power plant.
Civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for New York NY, beginning at 2:46 p.m. and ending at 5:46 p.m. Citizens within a mile of Lafayette Street are asked to stay away from the street at this time. At 2:40 p.m., a rogue subway train passing through the Lafayette subway station suddenly lost control and has led to the train cars going off the tracks. It is currently unknown at this time how many fatalities there are, but residents within the immediate vicinity of the Lafayette Street subway entrance are to stay away at this time. Emergency personnel are currently trying their best to rescue anyone currently still alive and trapped in the subway station. Remain away from Lafayette Street and Worth Street until the all clear is given.
I can't believe I gotta sell my body on the street just to pay the bill.
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for northern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Galveston County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 6 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Pearland, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near South Houston, South Belt Ellington Fields, and Edgebrook area around 5:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Clear Lake around 5:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Deer Park, Morgan's Point, and Houston Ship Channel around 6 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Throw it! No, dude, it's a pretty good beat! Throw it!
Take the pizza. Then give me some room. Dang! It'll make the pizza.
The National Weather Service in Billings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for extreme north-central Bighorn County in south-central Montana, central Rosebud County in southeast Montana, central Treasure County in southeast Montana. This includes the city of Hysham, until 12:15 a.m. At 11:11 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm with quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 22 miles southwest of Hysham and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Hysham by midnight. If you are in the path of this storm, prepare immediately for damaging winds, large hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Saturday morning for southeast Montana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. for the following counties: Bighorn, Rosebud, and Treasure County in southeast and south-central Montana.
Cooked.
Dude, that looks like Bruh, you guys got any more pizza? Like, I've been waiting forever. Like, come on, dude.
Well, you could eat that pizza.
Dude.
I'm sick. Can you just help take care of me?
Oh, I'm so sorry, Mario. Let me check to see if you have a fever. Oh my gosh, Mario, you're burning up. I'll go to the store and get you some medicine.
No! You're not allowed to leave.
Yeah, you might leave and go to Baltimore again or something.
Every time you leave for like a year. You're gonna stay right here, okay? You're not leaving, you're not going anywhere.
Okay, Mario, but let me at least call a doctor, okay?
All right, you're gonna call a doctor right here. You're not gonna move. Just pull out your phone and call a doctor.
Okay.
Hey there, somebody call a doctor?
Oh my gosh, you look horrible!
Oh, okay. Now I'm sick and my feelings are hurt. You know, you're not much to look at either. You know, if you were one of the only 2 girls left on Earth, I'd say show me the other one.
Anyway, Mario is really sick. Can't you help him?
Oh, he's sick. Well, what about me? I'm sick. Nobody seems to care about me. You know, who does the doctor call when he gets sick? Nobody ever seems to care about me or my feelings. And that apple a day thing, that's bullcrap. I've been eating an apple every single day and I still got...
Immediate evacuation for the city of Philadelphia. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Philadelphia Office of Emergency Management. A mandatory evacuation order has now been issued by Mayor Michael Nutter for the city of Philadelphia, including the counties of Bucks, Chester, Delaware, and Montgomery are ordered to evacuate immediately. The wildfire reported at Elkins Park at 10:45 a.m. has intensified and is slowly engulfing the city of Philadelphia. At this time, if you are currently within 20 miles of the city, you are under a mandatory evacuation order. When you evacuate, make sure you have all essential supplies on you, including food, water, clothing, and medical supplies. If you have one, bring a battery-powered or hand-crank radio to receive the latest updates. Evacuate now. Repeating, evacuate now.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Department of Defense and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. At 7:12 a.m. Coordinated Universal Time, a catastrophic incident occurred on the International Space Station. The cause of this incident is unknown at this time due to loss of communications and telemetry with the International Space Station. However, NASA ground-based tracking stations and U.S. Air Force Space Command radar tracking from Cheyenne Mountain have tracked a severe degradation in the station's orbit since the incident. Current NASA predictions state that unless navigational control of the station is restored, it will enter the Earth's atmosphere within the next 6 hours. The mass and size of the station is such that large fragments will strike the Earth's surface. These fragments will be large enough to cause serious, but localized damage to anything they impact. There is also danger from unspent toxic materials, such as those used for station propulsion and cooling, that were not neutralized by re-entry. The current NASA estimated ground track indicates that any impact of the station would occur in the eastern continental U.S. However, the Department of Defense and the Federal Emergency Management Agency urge all citizens to be aware that these estimations can change at any time. All appropriate federal agencies are working on a solution to avert or minimize any impact. Citizens are asked to stay tuned to national or local news outlets of their choosing to stay informed of this developing situation. Updates will be released as they become available.
no limits. The Doubles Down.
The following message has been transmitted from the request of the United States government, and the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the United States Air Force, and the Navy SEALs and the United Nations. Please pay close attention to this alert as it pertains an ongoing investigation in the United States. United States has suffered national crisis. Strange event is happening in the United States over the last 9 days. Started off, we have the plane crash in Massachusetts, and then riot in Miami. And the train wreck in New York, and even more happened in the last 9 days. According to the scientist, these events are occurring from the solar activities, but it's a clearly unknown. It's also reported that the date August 12th, 2036, which is tomorrow, is the day where everything goes extinct. It is. I know if it's a warning for everyone, just in case. Everyone take shelter, and make sure you grab non-perishable food, water, clothing, phone, chargers, and a battery power radio or a hand crank radio for your protection. And please stay tuned to the station for more information. And please use your battery power radio or your hand crank radio for further updates, news, information, and instructions for your local area or your hometown. For further information, and more information will be followed if it comes available, or if it's necessary, from your proper authorities of the United States government.
What are you looking at?
Nothing. I was just thinking about...
You can't join in on the song anymore, so stop trying.
You know what happened last time.
I know. That's not what I...
Get out of here, scram!
Hey!
False alarm, there's no threat to the United States, there's no extinction event coming to the United States. False alarm.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government and has been authorized for transmission by myself. Ladies and gentlemen of the world, I regret to inform you that the worst has come to pass. At 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, in conjunction with various astrophysicists across the country, discovered that within the next 9 hours, a massive solar flare will penetrate through the ozone layer. When this occurs, a wall of fire will move across the Earth, incinerating the planet, and making it impossible for any form of life to exist on the planet. I am deeply saddened to be delivering this news, but unfortunately, our time has come. There will be no way of preventing this cataclysmic event from unfolding. Citizens of the United States and the world at large, gather your loved ones close and share your final moments with them. If you are part of a religious denomination, pray to your higher being or beings. Children's programming will resume for as long as possible, but all other programming has been officially suspended. This station will sign off for the final time with the playing of our national anthem. Please stand by as we conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system. Goodbye, and God bless America.
As it fitfully blows, half conceals, half discloses.